Hello, this vlog it's gonna be really random 1 week vlog, and there are so many things, so please just enjoy. Let's start. This is potato company. こっちが生ハム and meat pie. いただきます。何から食べよう。うわー、すごっ。そう。すごい。うん。うん。鹿と牛。鹿は書いてた。うん。見た。でも温めた方がさらに美味しいかも。トースターでチンで。
Today we are going to make duck roast. This duck is still a bit frozen, so we're gonna leave this for a while outside of the fridge. And if possible, I'd like to make this skin a little bit drier, I guess. And we're gonna cook for a few minutes, and then we're gonna put this in the toaster instead of oven because we don't have an oven here, and that's it. This is the plan for duck roast today. Okay.
While that we are preparing appetizer, this time we are preparing burrito and peaches.
The record spins, a saxophone sighs. Two glasses clean reflections in your eyes. The world can wait, let time disguise these moments we steal where love applies.
パッと見たことわかんない。This is burrata and peach, and this is なんだっけ、サビーチェ、タコのサルサベルデ。Did our appetizer for today. じゃん、cheers. This time we got sparkling wine, I guess. Next, we are going to cook duck roast. We kept this duck skin dryer, so it's time to heat this up. This time, no, not this time, most of the time, my boyfriend cook everything. And usually I do wash dishes or preparing salad, like easy part only. And now let's heat this up. It's like a French chef. And go to the oven toaster. And how it turned out. It looks so yummy. And let's cut. Wow, look at this one. So yum. This is how it looks. It looks like a restaurant.
Shadows play a
We came to Tokyo Convention World and look at this Tokyo Tower view. And this is the menu. It's like a comic book. Wow.
It's so cool.
Yeah. And from this page, there are cactus. So many.
Whoa, kawaii.
And food menu.
Wow.
This is Tokyo banana colada.
Does it taste like banana?
No. Little bit.
Wait, do you like the Tokyo banana snack? Like, why did you order this one?
I just like banana. So that's why I try it.
You're funny.
Cheers. It's sweet
Yeah.
and a little bit strong. I think. Let's try this now. Is it spicy? Smoky.
Smoky.
And the view of this barn is amazing. We can see Tokyo Tower from this barn. It's mango kakigori. It's not only sweet but also savory. We are in New York.
We're in New York having beignets. This is girl dinner. Feels like New York.
It tastes simple than I thought. I thought it's more too sweet.
Right.
Pour me a drink in a crystal glass. Tokyo after midnight when memories amass.
I'm on my way kissing my friend from Kobe, and we are going to Toronto in Yoyogi Park. It's really hot today.
Every glance, a world unfolds.
I'm just back to my home. It was so hot. Then the place where we had lunch is Lombergo. It's in Toronto, and the pizza is so good. And since we talked a lot, I want to film, but yeah, I'm so sweating right now. And on my way back to home, I stopped by this one at Reason. It's also close to Yoyogi Park. Yeah, I got this cocoa powder. And from now, I'm going to do my workout, journaling, editing video, reading a book. Yeah, that's how I will spend today. Yesterday, my boyfriend lent me this book, which is Distraction. It's a English vocabulary book, and also other books, which is about the number. I don't know. Fermi Suite. Yeah. So I'm going to read this book. Good morning. Today it's July 20th, and in Tokyo it's a 14th day. So I just went there for a boat. Actually, it's still before 8 a.m. Today I woke up at like 45-ish. And since I was last night, I went to bed with hungry stomach. So today I woke up early with hungry. Then waking up, had breakfast, doing my laundry, sorry for the noise, and cleaning up my room, and makeup, and doing some workout and voting. And from now I'm going to edit my video of Seoul last day video, and then maybe having lunch, and after I'm going to my best friend from Kobe. Actually I met her in Korea as well, and usually she lives in Kobe, but this weekend she's coming to Tokyo, so I'll see her. Then after I will have dinner at Marunouchi, in the restaurant where I really wanted to go, so I'm excited to go. Hello! I finished editing my Seoul vlog day 3. I'm so happy. Since today's my goal was to finish editing these vlogs, so yay! And I still have much time until I see my friends. So my hair looks weird. So I'm going to have a lunch from now. It's 11:15, almost 15. Since I woke up really early this morning, so I'm already hungry. I have mapo tofu, mapo meat for lunch. Yeah. So stay tuned to my Korea vlog. Maybe this vlog will be out later. So if you haven't watched it, please go towards that one. I think it helps you if you want to go to Seoul. And this time I went there by myself, and the hotel was really good place. I mean, it was really easy to go everywhere, so I really recommend. So please check it. And yeah. Thank you for watching until here, and I hope you will have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. And next vlog is going to be Kobe vlog, because now I'm in Kobe. Right now it's my hometown, so stay tuned.